In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate or unlock your Steam account. If you've recently created a Steam account, you may notice that some features are unavailable. This is because new Steam accounts are limited until they meet Steam's activation requirement. Once your account is activated, you'll gain access to additional community and account features. To get started, open the Steam app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official Steam website, install it, and then sign into your account using your Steam credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Steam home screen. At this point, there's no button that says Activate Account. Instead, Steam automatically unlocks your account once you've met its minimum spending requirement. To activate your account, you'll need to spend at least $5 or the equivalent amount in your local currency on Steam. You can do this by purchasing a game, buying downloadable content, or adding at least that amount to your Steam wallet. Once the purchase or wallet deposit has been completed successfully, your account will automatically become unrestricted. After your account has been activated, you'll be able to access additional Steam features, including adding friends, participating in the Steam community, using the market, and other features that are unavailable to limited accounts. If you're unsure whether your account is still limited, you can open the Help menu at the top of Steam and visit Steam support to review your account status and find more information about account limitations if needed. And that's all there is to it. Once you've spent at least $5 on Steam, your account will be activated automatically, giving you access to the full range of Steam features.